It was without a doubt the best decision that I ever made. I've gotten so much more from life after I accepted the religion. It's helped me to deal with depression, anxiety issues which I had when I was younger. It's helped me to be much more confident. I was really shy and intimidated when I was young at certain points, and I was vulnerable at the end of the day. Islam and the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has been like a male role model figure in my life that has helped guide me, especially because I didn't have that because I came from a broken home. So honestly, Islam, you know, it's not just a religion. It's a lifestyle. It's a way of helping people to be better. It's a coping mechanism for me. Listening to the Quran, listening to the adhan, for example, the call to prayer. It's such a beautiful language, and the Quran is written and pronounced in such a beautiful way, subhanallah, that honestly it brings me peace.